When you use the Big Ten Academic Alliance Geoportal to discover geospatial data and scanned maps, you have the ability to also see the metadata for each of these items. What is metadata? Metadata is descriptive information that helps you understand more about the items in your search results, so you can decide if a particular dataset or scanned map is appropriate for your use. Metadata provides users with information like a title, an abstract or summary of content, the author, the publisher, when it was published, and so on. Many users of the Big Ten Academic Alliance Geoportal will find the metadata most useful when writing citations for the data or maps they've decided to use in a project. Let's take a look now at how to view metadata in the Geoportal. First, we'll do a search for Polk County, Wisconsin. In this example, we'll look at a geospatial dataset, Polk County roads for 2018. After doing an initial search and seeing your results page, selecting a map or dataset from the list will bring you to the show page for that item. This is where you see a snapshot of metadata that can be useful in a citation. In addition to information displayed on the item's show page, the metadata link at the right of the page means you can open a more comprehensive metadata record for that item. Viewing the full metadata of a dataset shows you the purpose, in other words, why the data was created, relevant dates, supplemental details about how the data was collected or processed, the geographic bounding extent of the resource, any use limitations that might help inform whether the content is appropriate for your purpose, contact information for the dataset creator, which is always helpful to have if you have additional questions about the data, projection and coordinate system information, notes about the dataset quality, the official distributor of the data, and how the dataset is identified within the original source. In some, but not all cases, the metadata you see in the Geoportal will also be attached to the data itself when you access or download it from the data producer online. It is also possible for you to download the metadata record directly from the Big Ten Academic Alliance Geoportal for future reference. Let's go back to the home page for our next scanned map example. Browse the Scanned Maps collection for the maps of Indiana. The show page for this 1929 road map provides us with metadata details and an interactive view of the map itself. Clicking on the View Source button at the right brings you directly to the Indiana University Library catalog, where there are even more details about the map, including the size of the original map sheet, the call number within the library's collection, relevant dates, and even a contact form to inquire further about the map. It's worth noting the amount of metadata information available for each item in the Geoportal may vary from one dataset or map to the next. The show page, however, will always give you some descriptive information to help you decide if the resource is appropriate for your needs.